Engine already start. Error. This one error. We check the electrical system. This the error code. This one blinking. EGR. EGR solid by high error, high current and current low. Now the problem is the engine. Engine has no EGR. No EGR. So maybe this ECU not compatible, this not match the engine. That ECU for engine match for have EGR. This one no EGR. The unit is no EGR. So we replace the ECU.